NotebookLM just got a massive upgrade. It can now turn any document into a full interactive course, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to grow your business. Let's go. NotebookLM. You've probably used it before. You upload a doc, you ask questions, it summarizes stuff. But kind of basic. Not anymore. Because what Google just dropped changes everything. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Here's the problem with learning new things for your business. You read stuff and you forget it. You download a PDF and never open it again. You watch a video and absorb maybe 10% of it. That's passive learning and it doesn't work. What actually works is active recall. Flashcards, quizzes. Testing yourself. That's how your brain locks information in. And that's exactly what NotebookLM can now do automatically. You give it a document and it turns it into a full study system. Quizzes, key concepts, flashcards, all built in seconds. And the best part, you can do this for your business content right now. Let me show you how. Before I show you the full walkthrough, real quick. If you want to use tools like NotebookLM to actually save time and grow your business faster, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious business owners and entrepreneurs learn to automate their workflows using AI. We cover tools like this one, step by step with real examples. Fluff, theory, just stuff that works. Link is in the description. Check it out. Back to it. Okay, so here's what's new in NotebookLM. First big feature is auto quiz generation. You upload your document, you ask NotebookLM to generate a quiz, and it reads the whole thing, pulls out the key concepts, and creates questions and answers, done in about 10 seconds. Here's a real example. I uploaded the AI Profit Boardroom onboarding guide and typed, create a 10-question quiz on the key AI automation strategies from this document. It spat out a full quiz, multiple choice, with correct answers explained. That means every new member who joins can now test themselves on the material. Tension goes up, confusion goes down. That's a better product with zero extra work. The second feature is flashcard generation. Same deal. You ask, turn the top 20 concepts from this document into flashcards. It gives you clean flashcard style outputs. Front is the concept, back is the explanation. I used this for the AI Profit Boardroom training vault and turned a 40-page strategy guide into 25 flashcards. Members can review the core ideas in 5 minutes instead of 2 hours. Third feature is probably the most underrated one. NotebookLM now automatically identifies the key concepts in your document for you. It doesn't just summarize, it figures out what actually matters most. So if you upload a long report, a course, or a SOP, it does the heavy lifting. You don't have to read every word. The AI tells you what to focus on. Huge time saver. Here's where it gets really good for businesses. NotebookLM now supports bulk sharing of study sets, which means you can build a training system once and share it with your whole team. Think about what that means in practice. You're onboarding new hires. Normally you'd schedule calls, do walkthroughs, repeat yourself 10 times. This, you upload your onboarding docs, NotebookLM turns them into a quiz-based training system, you share the link, and the new hire works through it themselves. They test themselves, they come back better prepared, and you didn't lift a finger. We're literally using this inside the AI Profit Boardroom right now. Members upload content they want to master, they quiz each other, they share study sets. It's like having a training department for free. And when you update the source document, the AI study set updates with it. Your training stays current automatically. All right, let me walk you through the exact process. Step 1, upload your document. PDF, Google Doc, copied text, whatever you've got. For this example, let's say you're uploading the AI Profit Boardroom sales playbook. It covers objection handling, closing techniques, follow-up scripts, everything. You drop it into NotebookLM. Step 2, prompt the AI. You tell it what to create. Here are some prompts you can actually use right now. Create a 10-question quiz on the key sales strategies in this document. Generate 20 flashcards summarizing the objection handling techniques. Identify the 5 most important concepts a new salesperson needs to know. Create a study outline from this document with section summaries. Each of these gives you a different learning tool in seconds. Step 3, iterate. You got a question wrong in the quiz. You ask the AI to explain it. You type, I got question 4 wrong. Explain the concept behind it in simple terms. Breaks it down like a tutor, and then you try again. That's active learning. That's how you actually retain information. And it works for any kind of content, not sales training, marketing playbooks, SEO guides, community frameworks, anything. Let's talk about who benefits most from this right now. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, you've got SOPs, frameworks, and training docs sitting around doing nothing. Turn them into structured learning programs for your team. Stop repeating yourself and let the AI do it. If you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, you can turn your best content into interactive learning experiences. Members don't just read, they engage, they test, they learn faster. That's a better community, higher retention, more results. If you're a freelancer or consultant, you're constantly learning new tools, new tactics, new trends. NotebookLM lets you process information faster. Upload any report, study, or course material, get the key concepts, quiz yourself, and move on. And twice as fast, apply it faster, win more clients. And if you manage a sales team, turn your training material into a quiz system, and your new reps through it before they're ever on calls. Test them, coach them, close more deals. Here's what this really means at a high level. AI is shifting from a search tool to a tutor. A year ago, you'd use AI to find information, or you use it to learn, practice, and master information. That's a massive shift. Businesses that understand this will build smarter teams faster. They'll onboard quicker, train better, and adapt faster. The ones that don't will still be doing 3-hour onboarding calls and hoping people remember stuff. NotebookLM is one piece of this puzzle. But the bigger picture is that AI automation is changing how businesses grow. Tools are here. The question is whether you use them. And by the way, this is just the beginning. NotebookLM has more features in the pipeline that are going to make this even more powerful. We'll cover those in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you want to use AI tools like NotebookLM to grow your business, and you want a full system, not just random tips, then you need two things. The AI Profit Boardroom. This is where serious entrepreneurs learn to use AI automation to build and scale their business. We go deep on tools like this. We share templates, workflows, and prompts that actually work. It's not theory, it's practical, step by step. Link is in the description. Come join us. The AI Success Lab. That's our free community with 67,000 members. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, that's where you go. You'll get all the notes from this video in there, plus access to a community of people who are actually using AI to grow their businesses right now. Links are in the comments and the description. Go join. It's free. And I'll see you in the next one.